How to create dramatic black and white video in Capcut. If any day any of you are a Capcut user and you would like to create a dramatic white and black video in Capcut but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Capcut application on your mobile device. After you launch the very Capcut application on your mobile device, you have to go to the plus like icon and then you have to just select the video that you'd like to edit on and then go to the option of add. After you go to the option of add, the video will be added here like this. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the option of filters here. After tapping on the option of the filters, now what you have to do is you have to go to the option of the very black and white option here. You can search it like this or you can also find it after scrolling here. After scrolling here, you can see all of these options here, but what you have to do is you have to search the very option where you can see the option of the black and white. So after you see the option of the BW2 here, you have to set it to BW2. You can also set it to the final option here and then go to the tick like option. Now after setting it to the entire video, what you have to do is you have to go to the next option. You have to go to the option of your overlay and then tap on overlay. After tapping on overlay, you have to select the video once again, that is the old video, and then go to the option of add. After going to the option of add, now you have to tap on the video that has been overlaid. After tapping on the video like this, now you have to go to the option of remove busy. After tapping on remove busy, now you have to tap on the option of the auto removable. After tapping on auto removable, now what happens is that the video will be removed from here and then you can go to the very tick like icon. Now you can see that a very beautiful black and white background is seen here. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.